Alright, we're going to do another one of my videos. This is the front door lock. I think it's just a standard 5-pin lock. Anyway, let me show you. Here it's locked. And I'm going to use first tension tool and my rake. So, sorry about the video quality. I'm using a kind of an older camera. So, here we go. I'm trying to get this kind of hard to pick with, like one hand. So, a tension tool in there. And I'm going to apply a little bit of tension and put this in there and rake it back. And I should be able to get it. Kind of rake it back and forth like this, and there we go. So I thought that was it. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Now then, let's see. Then of course you can put this in there, push it up like that, and I don't know if you can hear that, but the pins just went back in. And of course now you're inside. And if y'all need any tutorials, message me and I can put a video up on how to do just basic lock picking. And if you see anything that I'm doing wrong, message me.